So this is the area of the slides. In Italian they're called scivolas, and I'm gonna go down there. It's beautiful. Everything is in nature. All the children are ready. My wife right here with my daughter. So Parco Adrenalina, Aventura Adrenalina is a beautiful place. Beautiful. This is where everything is happening. This is where it gets real exciting. All the children, all the parents, everybody. The parents can go down and actually wait for the children when they arrive at the finish of the course. Just beautiful. And they go two at a time. And that's my daughter in the back there, Dalia Zoe. And so it's just beautiful. Homeschooling style, travel schooling, homeschooling. Okay. Come and have fun with us. Beautiful. So Dalia is on her way on the Scivolo. No, hold this, hold on to this. This. Yes.
Your foot out.
Put your foot out. Yes. Beautiful. That's awesome. That's awesome. So we go down now and meet her. I'm gonna go down and meet her. Hey! Now they have to pull up their tubes. Beautiful. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Bravo. Awesome. So it's an all green place, okay? And that's what we deal with as world schoolers, okay? My daughter, my daughter, Dalia, our daughter, and my wife and I. Okay? Thank you for visiting World Schooling Calabria. Email us at admin@worldschooling Calabria.